This is a YouTube video on how to download ringtones to your iPhone or iPod Touch. First, you must go to Stereo. Next, go to search. Click on the search bar and search for unnamed tones, and get the one from Big Boss, the package. And you're gonna click on the right hand. You're gonna click install and confirm. And once you install and confirm, exit out from Stereo. There it is right here, the purple one. And this app, you could also create your own ringtones, which I'll be showing probably in a week. Okay, and here you can search for any artist. Oops, I double click. Any artist, like, I don't know, Lil Wayne, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of Lil Wayne, but just for this video, Lil Wayne. Let's go with 6'7". Remember here, you can also play it, and you can hear it, the preview of the song that you're gonna download. And you pause it, and the second bar right here, the second the second one, that's for downloading. So you're gonna click it, and right here, you see right here in the green, that means it's downloaded. And once you're done downloading whatever ringtones you want, you can exit out. And for example, you could go to your clock and say you have like an alarm like I do. So like say right here, and the one I downloaded from Little One was 6 foot, 7 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot. Where is it at? Where is it? There it is. Lil Wayne, 6 foot, 7 foot. Click on it, and there it is, guys. Y'all could set it as your alarm ringtone, and pretty much it. Well, thanks guys for watching this YouTube. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.